Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to offer you an amazing quilt. This is our new pineapple quilt, always a customer favorite, based around Jason Yenter's collection called Prism and some of his coordinating basics. He is a designer for in the beginning fabrics, and every time he outdoes himself. Just when I think it couldn't possibly get better, he does it again and again, and people continue to ask for the amazing pineapple quilt, which is just so visually amazing, especially with his digitally printed collections, which are so dynamic. We have offered this before, as I said, always selling out. The pineapple trim tool by Creative Grid really does the magic. While it may seem that you need to be an experienced quilter to pull this off, that couldn't be further from the truth. Be sure to check out the video where I show you how to use the pineapple trim tool, and you will see that this is so doable for even a beginner and gives you the chance to upsize every single round of each one of the blocks here and be able to trim up every single time. So you can reserve your kit today for just $10 and then we'll bill you for the difference. Free freight in the United States and discounted rates internationally. I think that's pretty amazing. We just chose black for the back of this quilt. Black Magic is a black, deep black, almost a double dyed black from Maywood Studio. That is the deepest black. That'd be a great option for you to choose that. Of course, you're going to need some products to make this, the pineapple trim tool. That is a requirement to make the project, and it works great with a spinning mat. Anytime we have an oversized tool and we can trim around that by spinning around that with a spinning mat, it's a great option. Not absolutely mandatory the way it is the tool, but a great accompaniment, making it just a dream to use this in conjunction with that pineapple trim tool. This is a great one for subcutting the strips that will continue to be added on as we build out our pineapple block. Again, not mandatory, nice to have. Other things, of course, the fresh blade. You're used to me saying that anytime we get ready to do a piecing project like this, the patchwork pins, the fresh needle, you've heard me say this before, and maybe the seam guide. We did use black Orphle on this one. Of course, we're always using that black, and it just seemed to be a great option for this one. I would not recommend sewing with anything white or light colored at all, especially as you're really getting those seams open. You might start to see that. So definitely choose a dark gray or black thread for this one. The pineapple ones are really, you can see that we need just this amazing, really full rainbow of colors to pull off this quilt. Those collections don't actually come very often, so be sure to grab your kit. We never know when the right collection of fabric is available to make these quilts possible. So be sure to grab that, any notions you need, especially the pineapple trim tool, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.